Alright, right now we are going to do an engine cleaning or slash detailing on our Honda Accord guinea pig vehicle over there. This is in response to a request from Sod. I don't know if that's how you say your name. Probably hope I didn't get it too wrong. Yeah, there was a request to make a video of this, so now we're gonna do it. Alright, as you can see, we got dirt building up in the cracks and in the grooves, and you know, there's a little bit dusty buildup everywhere. It's not the worst, but it could be better. So we're gonna go for better. Alright, we're gonna spray this thing down first with a bunch of degreaser. This is the purple power degreaser that we just got at the auto store. Or you could probably get it at Walmart or somewhere like that.
It doesn't come in this bottle, okay?
Yeah, it's not actually in a purple bottle. This is from some other product. We just dumped it out and borrowed the bottle. Because purple power can be had pretty cheap in a big old gallon jug. Only problem is it doesn't have a spray nozzle. So you gotta have a container to dispense it. So that's what we're doing. And we diluted it a little bit because it's concentrated. And that way we can get a little more out of it. So we're just liberally applying everywhere.
Make sure there's no electrical component that's exposing any electrical wire out or anything like that before you spray this.
Yeah, that's also why we're not going to use a pressure washer, because we don't want to get water forced into some electrical connector and then we end up having engine problems or something worse. Alright, we're running out. It's time to clean. That's good. Every last drop. Okay, so we're just using our nozzle attached to our garden hose because we want minimal pressure, just enough to knock off the dirt. It doesn't take much. Once the degreaser soaks into everything rinses off pretty easily. Alright, and once you got it all rinsed off, we'll let it all the water run off for a minute before we go and shine it up. Okay, we don't want to get Armor all over the bodywork, so I'm just going to put some covers over the fenders so that they don't get all sprayed with the Armor that we're going to put on next. That should be good. It's almost dry now. Alright, now we're just going to spray Armor all over the place. In order to get it to have a nice even coat, you're probably going to have to hit the engine compartment from different angles so that you don't have dry spots. Okay, so once the excess dries up, you'll end up with a nice glossy finish on your whole engine compartment. Well, if you got good coverage with your arm roll. And that's basically how you're going to get that fresh from the dealer lot look. Makes it look all shiny and brainy. Also, we should note that if your problem is you get a lot of dust collecting in your engine compartment because you drive on dirt roads or whatnot, the arm roll does attract the dust quite a bit. So you may just want to skip this part and just have a clean, dry engine if your problem is dirt buildup. Anyways, it's up to you. Give it a shot.
Alright, this is the result of the engine bay the next day. It's all shiny, glossy, as if it's brand new. And that's how you clean your engine bay.